So hello friend, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to talk on how you can measure the distance and also calculate the area of each polygon in your layers that you've or your map that you've added in QGIS Canvas. So when we look at this, I have a map here that I want to calculate the length or the distance of this map. So if I want to do that, I have two methods that I want to use or to show you. So the first one, you just come here where you see this measure layer. So I'll click on measure line. I'll come and start just measuring this boundary line of this map. So for example, if I want to measure from this point to this point the distance, I'll just click on it and automatically my QGIS will write the distance here. It is either in kilometers. There's different units that you can use, but I'm using meters. So if you want to do that, if you want to measure the distance of a certain, like for example here to here, you can just click on that, then it gives you the actual value. If I want to do the area, I just click here. I want to do the area of a certain polygon, like for example this one. I just come here, click here, go to this, click there, click there, click there, click there, and click there. Then automatically I will see the area there. So that is it. That's how you can calculate your area of a certain polygon using this feature. The same, I can just go back, then follow the second method on what I can use to calculate my area. Just go here, right click, go to open attribute table. Then I want to calculate the area of each polygon on each section of that map. What I will do is here I've already calculated it, but I will take it back again. I'll just go here and look for this feature that says add or open. It's open field calculator. Once you click on it like that, you write here area. Then on the next, write decimal number real. Then you look for the geometry. Here we look for the geometry. Geometry is here. Double click. Then area. Double click on it. Okay. So I've already done that. So I've already calculated the area of our map. So and here you can see, but that's how you can do it. So once you do that, it will immediately appear here. Then that is how you can measure the distance of a certain polygon or a line using this feature, and also measure the area or calculate the area. That's the first method. Then secondly, you can also calculate the area of each polygon in this map using going through the attribute way. And that is how you can do measure the distance and calculate the area of different features in a QGIS. If you found this video helpful, please make sure you leave a comment below, like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.